arguing at the supermarket checkout. Excuse me, sir. I'm really sorry, but can I go first? My bus leaves in 10 minutes.
Wait, what? No, I was here first.
I know. But I only have my phone. No groceries. It will take 1 second.
Sorry, but I've been waiting too. Everyone is in a hurry.
Please, sir. If I miss this bus, the next one is in an hour.
That's not my problem. I have a lot of items too. Look at my cart.
I'm not asking you to skip your turn. I just need 30 seconds. I have nothing to pay for except a phone bill.
This always happens. People think their time is more important than mine.
That's not what I said. I'm just asking nicely.
Excuse me, sir, ma'am. Is there a problem?
No problem. She wants to cut the line.
I'm sorry. I really need to catch my bus. Can you help me, please?
I can check, but I need to serve customers in order.
See? Rules are rules.
Okay, fine. I understand rules. But can we be a little kind today?
How long is your bill?
Just $5. One item.
Fine. Go ahead. But hurry.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Okay, let's do this quickly then.
Thank you again. I hope you have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Don't miss your bus.
I won't. Bye.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Yes, sir. Let's ring these up.
The wrong coffee order.
Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered.
Oh. What did you order, ma'am?
I ordered a cappuccino, hot, but you gave me an iced latte.
Let me check the ticket. Oh, I see. There's a cappuccino right here, too.
Well, I got the wrong one. I already took a sip. It's too sweet and it's cold.
I'm really sorry about that, ma'am. It looks like the cups got mixed up.
This isn't the first time, you know. Last week my order was wrong too.
I understand, and I'm sorry for the trouble. Let me fix this right now.
I don't have much time. I have a meeting in 15 minutes.
No problem. I'll make your cappuccino fast. Do you want it the same as before?
Yes, hot, medium size, extra foam.
Got it. Give me 2 minutes.
I just don't understand how cups get mixed up so easily.
You're right. It shouldn't happen. We get busy sometimes, but that's not an excuse. I'll talk to my team about labeling more carefully.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Here you go. 1 hot cappuccino, extra foam.
Yes, this is right. Thank you.
Also, since you had to wait, this one's on the house. No charge.
Oh, really? That's very kind of you.
It's the least I can do. Sorry again for the mix-up.
It's okay. Thank you for fixing it quickly.
Have a great meeting.
Thanks. Have a good day too.
Hey, I was here first.
No, I saw this seat before you did.
What? I've been standing near it for the last 2 stops.
Well, I've been standing since the very first stop. My legs are killing me.
Mine too. I've been carrying this heavy backpack the whole ride.
A backpack isn't the same as standing on your feet all day.
Oh, really? This backpack is full of books. It's not light, you know?
Look, can we not do this? It's just one seat.
Exactly. It's just one seat. So why can't I have it?
Because I asked first.
You didn't ask. You just pointed at it.
Okay, fair. But still, I really need to sit down.
Everyone on this bus needs to sit down. Look around. It's packed.
You're right. It is really full today.
Are you okay, though? You look a little pale.
I'm just tired. I've been on my feet all day at work.
What do you do?
I'm a nurse. 12-hour shift today.
Whoa, 12 hours? That's rough.
Yeah. What about you? Why are you so tired?
I had exams all week. Today was the last one. My brain is fried.
Okay. Now I feel bad for arguing with you.
No, don't. I was being stubborn too.
Wait. Look at that sign.
Please offer your seat to those in need.
I guess neither of us really needs it more than the other.
True. We're both just tired, not injured or anything.
So, what do we do? We can't just stand here arguing the whole ride.
How many more stops do you have?
3. You?
2.
Okay. So you get off first.
Right. So maybe
We take turns?
exactly what I was thinking. You sit for 2 stops, then I'll take the last one before I get off anyway.
Wait, that means you don't get to sit at all.
It's fine, honestly. 2 stops isn't long, and you've had a way longer day than me.
That's really kind of you. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Go ahead, sit down.
Oh, wow, thank you. My feet thank you too. See? Wasn't that easier than fighting?
Yeah, much easier. Sorry for snapping at you earlier.
It's okay. I was pretty tired too. No hard feelings.
So, a nurse, huh? That must be a hard job.
It is, but I like helping people. Long days, though.
I can imagine. My exams were nothing compared to that.
Every job has its own kind of tired, I guess.
Okay, this is my stop coming up.
Oh, already? Thanks again for the seat.
No problem. Take care of yourself, okay? Get some rest.
You too. Good luck with your next exams.
Thanks. Bye.
Excuse me. I need to return this shirt. It's damaged.
Oh no, I see the hole. When did you buy it?
Yesterday. I didn't notice the hole until I got home and tried it on.
I'm sorry, but this shirt was on the sale rack. 50% off.
So, a discount doesn't mean it's okay to sell damaged clothes.
I understand, but our policy says sale items are final. No exchanges, no returns.
That's not fair. I didn't damage it. It was already like this.
I believe you, but I still have to follow store policy.
Look at that sign right there. Sale items are final sale. But that's for people who change their mind, not for defective items.
Well, the policy doesn't really separate the two. It just says final sale.
That doesn't make sense. So if I buy a broken phone on sale, I just have to accept it?
I mean, that's different. This is just a shirt.
It's still something I paid money for. I expect it to be wearable.
I understand your frustration, really. But I can lose my job if I break policy without approval.
I'm not asking you to break any rules. I'm asking you to be reasonable.
Okay. Let me think for a second.
Take your time. I'm not trying to make your day harder.
I appreciate that. Most people just start yelling.
I get it. This isn't your fault. I'm just upset because I really liked this shirt.
It is a nice shirt. The color is really pretty.
Right? That's why I bought it. I just wish it didn't have a hole.
Can I ask, do you have your receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Okay, good. This helps a lot. Give me one moment. I want to call my manager.
Sure, no problem. I'll wait right here.
Okay, sorry for the wait. I talked to my manager.
And? What did she say?
She said since it's a manufacturing defect, not something caused by you, we can make an exception.
Oh, thank goodness. So what are my options?
We can offer a full refund, or you can exchange it for a different shirt of the same value.
Do you have this same shirt in another size without the hole?
Let me check the shelf. Yes, actually, we have one more in medium.
That would be perfect. Same size as this one.
Here you go. Please check it carefully before you leave, just in case.
Looks good. No holes or stains.
Great. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay. Thank you for helping me sort this out.
Of course. And thank you for staying patient with me. I know policies can be frustrating sometimes.
I get it. You're just doing your job. I just needed someone to actually listen.
I'm glad we could figure it out. Would you like a bag for this?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here you are. Have a nice rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. I appreciate your help.
Oh, and just so you know, next time if this happens, you can always ask for a manager right away. It saves time.
Good to know. I'll remember that.
Take care.
You too. Bye.